The ultrasonic sensor verifies the internal composition, ensuring these billets meet the strict standards for the C-17's cargo ramp.
The carts deliver the identical raw materials to their starting points, officially concluding the inspection phase.
The 2-meter cylinder undergoes internal honing. A rotating tool with diamond abrasive stones rapidly smooths.
Here in Process B, the Globemaster's hydraulic lines are precisely formed, ensuring geometric perfection for the fuselage structure.
A tray of black polymer seals receives a microscopic plasma treatment, modifying their surface chemistry.
The finished hydraulic line fittings move toward final assembly in Process B. The cylinder assembly is slowly immersed into the chemical passivation bath, a critical step that stabilizes the metal against corrosion. Clamps secured on cylinder 4.
Copy that. Moving to the barrier now.
The thermal screen displays a successful leak test with 0 friction. The quality control inspector then verifies.
The hydraulic cylinder assembly moves to the specialized station. A precise robotic nozzle applies aerospace.
The high-powered laser system precisely etches a unique serial number, ensuring permanent traceability for these critical aerospace components.
Specialized, brightly colored collective, bright tips, caps, and plugs are Royal Air Force gray cylinder assembly.
Okay, the wrap is off. Check the main shaft.
Looks clean. Let's set it in the jig for process B.
The unwrapped Royal Air Force Gray hydraulic cylinder assembly is moved alongside the prefabricated hydraulic lines and fittings.
The protective caps are carefully removed, exposing the pristine, polished threads. This confirms the critical path.
All production steps, testing, and packaging are 100% complete and compliant. We are signing off on the master record.
In the integration zone, pre-bent hydraulic lines are staged, ready to receive the 2-meter-longer assembly.
Here we see the intricate assembly of the cargo ramp hydraulic system, utilizing Process B mounting brackets for vibration protection. Technicians carefully route and connect the electrical harnesses and sensors. The cables are then meticulously tied down.
The specialized automated pump begins the controlled filling of the hydraulic system. We monitor the fluid indicator.
Confirming full extension. The gauge reading indicates 0 cavitation. Acknowledged. Beginning retraction sequence now. All safety protocols confirmed. High pressure test sequence ready to proceed.
The sensor data confirms consistent pressure, temperature, and extension speed.
Meets all required specifications. System verification passed.
A robotic inspection unit conducts a comprehensive visual and thermal scan, ensuring the flawless completion of the secondary product assembly.
Specialized protective film is carefully applied to the exterior of the integrated cargo ramp hydraulic system structure.
The massive, custom-built transport frame for the C-17 fuselage is moved into the assembly bay.
The documentation confirms the readiness of the integrated cargo ramp hydraulic system structure for immediate installation.
The completed hydraulic system, now integrated, awaits transport.
Everything looks good. Bring it down slowly.
Confirmed. System is secure.
The Royal Air Force gray hydraulic cylinders ensure a perfect fit into the airframe, confirming dimensional consistency.
Okay, caps are off. Bring the line in.
Steady now. It's seated.
Securing the connection. Leak check passing.
The C-17 Globemaster III ramp undergoes rapid cycling, testing its endurance under simulated combat conditions.